Alright, here I've got this Whirlpool side-by-side refrigerator. I want to take these door handles off. It says Whirlpool. I can't get back there to see the model number, but you get the idea. I want to take these door handles off because we're giving it away to my brother, and I gotta take it to the front door. The front door is about 36 inches from each side, so I'm gonna have to take the front door off the hinge. And this refrigerator from the back to the front here is about 28 or 29, close to 30. But the door handles would probably be 32 and a half or 33. But I want to take those off just so I don't scratch them up or scratch the doorway up, front door. And I didn't know how to do it, so there's no videos on YouTube, so I thought I'd make a video and show you how. When I looked in here, there's no screws in here. So I just kind of pried up top of here a little bit. I was able to get this and pull it back and look in there and see that it was on a bracket, so I thought maybe they slide up. So mine were on here pretty good, so you're gonna need two hands, and you might need to pry in here a little bit to get it off there, but I got it off there with two hands. I loosened these up a little bit so I can do this with one hand. You just push in and slide it up like that, and it comes off. And these are different lengths too, so you can't mix up the top from the bottom, but these top ones are both the same length. And it comes up like that and has brackets like that. These are just Phillips screws. And the bottom ones just slide down. You can't get them mixed up because this bottom one here is a lot longer. There it is. And then get your screwdriver and start taking them off. And there you go, it's off. One of them anyway. Kind of stuck on there with a little bit of adhesive. Now I just need some help carrying this son of a bitch out of here. Any volunteers?